Take this drink once in a while and drink it to clean your liver, clean your system, clean your uterus, get rid of the infection. It doesn't have any side effect, it doesn't hurt. All right, just make sure you're not pregnant before you're taking this drink.
I don't tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing great. I'm doing great myself. Now this is another video on how you can clean your uterus. Okay, I made a video before. If you have been watching my videos, I made a video on how you can clean your uterus. In that video I use aloe vera to help you to clean your uterus. So in today's video I'm using something very different, something that we can easily find, that is very common, because a lot of people not a lot of people, some people actually find it difficult to get aloe vera, especially where they are. They can't easily lay their hands on aloe vera. It's not readily accessible, especially the fresh aloe vera plants. So I decided to come up with this video, because this video, guys, is this home remedy which I'm going to show you how you can use to clean your uterus. It is very natural, very common, and very effective. Why we need to clean our uterus? A lot of us, some of us, we gave birth 10 years ago and we're trying to get pregnant, and some of us, we are still trying to get pregnant, we are struggling with it. So it's very important that you clean your uterus. A lot of women also have a little menstrual flow, like every month not everything comes out. Okay, there's still a remnant inside their blood, old blood, clotted blood. Some ladies, they have miscarriages and not everything came out. Okay, not all the content of the miscarriage came out at that time. There's still some that is being left over in their womb, in their uterus. So this can actually hinder pregnancy. This can actually make it difficult for them to get pregnant. In today's video, I want to show a simple home remedy you can use to get rid of all those remnants, get rid of all those content in your body, clean your system, make it clean. And it's not only going to clean your uterus, it's going to clean your liver, it's going to get rid of any infection in your body. That means you're preparing your entire body for conception. All right, so it's very important. If you had a child before 10 years, 2 years, 5 years, and you're struggling to get pregnant, this home remedy is for you. If you had miscarriage before, if your menstrual flow is very little every month, it's okay to have a normal menstrual flow, but for some people it's not natural, not all the contents come out. And even if you've never had any of this and you're trying to get pregnant, just take it. It doesn't hurt. It will clean your system and you'll make maximum benefit of it. All right, it is very good. You must take it. Prepare yourself. It's very important. It's very necessary that you take this home remedy. You prepare. You want to clean your womb, because we don't want anything that is going to hinder that pregnancy. You want your system to be clean. You want to get rid of any infection. It is very important. Infection can be one of the main reasons why you have been trying to get pregnant for so many years. Believe me or not, that shit is not like, infection is a very serious issue, and there are a lot of infection that even when you go to the hospital, you take medication, they keep coming, it's like reoccurring infection. And some of this infection is based on the kind of medication that we have been taking. If you have been taking something like some kind of hormones, they might just upset your natural hormones and you just have hormone. That means you do upset your natural hormones, and no matter what you take, his infection will still be there. The infection will still be there. It takes time, and you need your hormone to be balanced for you to get rid of that infection. So guys, without further ado, let's go right into my kitchen. I'm going to show you how to do this simple home remedy. But before we do that, if you're here watching this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button. And of course, if you find this video helpful and you want to share this video, drop a comment down below this video. If you watch this video and you feel that you have a question, want to make any inquiries, you have your queries, drop them down in the comment section. I will definitely get back to you. Okay, and yeah, for my returning viewers, I want to say thank you so much for your love and your support. And if you're new to, if this is your first time watching this video, hi, My name is Gilly James. You're definitely welcome to my channel. So guys, let's do this. So guys, this is what we'll be using in today's video: fresh ginger root. Okay, this is what you need to clean your uterus. So you want to make sure that you wash the ginger very clean, because we are not going to be taking out the peelings, we are going to be using the peelings as well. So we all know the benefits of ginger. I can't even stress it enough. I've talked about ginger a lot in my video. You can Google it and get all the benefits, the amazing benefits of ginger. Okay, so once your ginger is washed and clean, there are two ways to do this. Look at this quantity. You might want to use this for 1 glass of the ginger drink. If there are remnants, you can always keep them. Okay, so a lot of times I have comments in my video, people will ask me like, what is the measurement, what is the quantity, what is the measurement? Seriously, I do not measure my items. You know, I don't know us like, for me, where I come from, right? For me, where I come from in Africa, we do a lot of eye measurement. We just look at things, like we measure things using our eyes, using our hands. Like, I don't really put them on the scale, and that's why I cannot really tell you this or that. So that's why when you're watching my video, and whatever quantity that I actually show you, you want to make sure that you follow that quantity. And of course, with this natural things, natural ingredients, there's nothing like overdose, or there's nothing like exact measurement. If you don't have the exact measurement, then you're not going to have what the benefits of what you're getting, or you're going to have side effects of overdose and all that stuff. So it's very important that you actually follow the size of the things I'm using in my video and the quantity of water I'm using. So that's basically it, guys. So I cannot really tell you like this is 50 grams of ginger, or this is, because I don't weigh my things. Okay, I just measure them. So this is actually what you need. You can actually use exactly this size or even lesser, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so there are two ways. You can either use a grater to grate this ginger, or you can blend it if you have a blender. So I'll just go straight ahead and just blend this ginger, because guys, the process of grating and all that, I'm not really it's not really a fun thing to do. So if you grate it and you don't use all of the ginger, you can always keep some. All right, so that's what I have. I'm just going to add in a little bit of water. You want to make sure that the water is not too much. Okay, you just want it to help you to turn into a paste, and I'm just going to blend that. So once you blend it into a fine smooth paste, you just want to put that into any container. All right, and adding hot water. Make sure the water is hot. You can stir it for about 3 minutes. Okay, and you can cover that. So once it's 3 minutes, you want to make sure that you strain that into a glass. Okay, wow, look at that ginger. can actually reuse this, guys. Add in more water. Later you can add in more water here and you strain it and drink it. I think this is a lot. I'm just going to reduce that. So this is what you get. Look at that color. Look at the ginger. Oh my god, you have all the maximum content of the ginger that you need. This drink is very natural. You can take it any time. I mean, just take it as long as you're trying to clean your womb. Make sure you take it every day. So how you're going to take it, before you take that, guys, you want to make sure that you add in natural honey. Okay, this is natural honey, or you can get organic honey. You need this honey. If you don't even have honey, it's okay. You can just do the ginger like this and drink it. So you're going to add in 1 teaspoon of natural honey into the ginger drink, and you stir it very well. Alright, ginger also, the honey also have the role it is playing in your body. Honey contains a lot of antioxidant, a lot of natural properties that is going to help you to cleanse your uterus. So make sure you take it first thing on an empty stomach, last thing before you go to bed. If you've also had your breakfast, it's okay, you can take it, it doesn't matter. But for best result, take it on an empty stomach and at night before you go to bed. Alright, so if you're pregnant, make sure you don't take this home remedy, because what you're doing, you're cleansing your uterus. So you don't want to cleanse your uterus while there's a baby there. Okay, it is not advisable if you're pregnant to take this home remedy. This home remedy is for people who are trying to get pregnant. Even if you don't have any issues that I mentioned before in the video, it is very good for you to just take it if you're planning to get pregnant, to clean your system, prepare your body for that baby. Okay, very easy, very simple. This is your honey ginger drink to cleanse your uterus. Take it every single day if you're planning to get pregnant, 2 times a day. Okay, it doesn't have any side effects. It's very natural and very effective. So guys, and then make sure you share this video, share this video so that it helps a lot of people. A lot of people are going to watch this video and it's going to help them. Okay, and I mean, if you're not trying to get pregnant, you can make this drink once in a while and drink it to clean your liver, clean your system, clean your uterus, you know, get rid of the infection. It doesn't have any side effect, it doesn't hurt. Alright, just make sure you're not pregnant before you're taking this drink. So I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Until then, guys, I'll see you again in my next one. Do have a great day. Bye.